Welcome back. Thank you for coming to see us again. Today we're talking about what happens to your property taxes after you buy. And this is something that can be quite tricky. And we always like to plan ahead with our buyers, and it's why it's so important to have a great lender on your side who's helping with this as well. Yeah, they can go up. You are not going to necessarily pay the same amount that the seller paid. The properties are assessed every year, and often they are looked at maybe a little even harder when it has been a purchase year. So we definitely need to look at all those numbers and don't make the mistake of just assuming that your property taxes will be the same that the seller paid the year before. Need to definitely, as always, budget for the full cost of ownership. So mortgage, property taxes, insurance, the HOA. It's not just about one portion. You need to make sure you're looking at all of them. And then we always remind you to file any exemptions, especially the Texas homestead exemption. That can help save you a lot of money, especially over time. So you want to make sure you have any exemptions filed on the property that you actually qualify for. And as always, the planning ahead means there are fewer surprises, less things that you're dealing with in the 11th hour or after closing when it's very complicated to make a change. So give us a call. We will walk you through the whole process and be here by your side beginning and through it. And then we are your advisors for life, always here and ready to make recommendations and help with anything. Thanks so much for reaching out and watching our Friedrich Realty video. Have a great day.